Hey everyone, I'm Dipankar back with another video. Today I'm going to tell you how you can control Firestick when the remote is not working, out of batteries, or you are not able to locate it. So keep watching as I show you how to navigate your Firestick without a remote. Did you know your smartphone can become a remote for your Firestick? It's all thanks to the official Amazon Fire TV app. Download the app and install on your phone. Once installed, connect it to your Firestick. Make sure your Firestick and smartphone are on the same Wi-Fi network. After the quick setup, you have a virtual remote right in your smartphone. Swipe and tap on your phone screen to navigate just like you would with a physical remote. The app also has a keyboard, so typing is no big deal. And that's it. No remote, no problem. Just use your phone. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips and hit the bell icon. Thanks for watching and see you guys in the next one.